Let me show you, for example, this tray, how I make it clean. You want to know how I make it clean? My name is Zion Hadad. I make a business with silver like 40 years. In my store here, I want to show you. Okay, I take the wipes from the box, one wipe, and look the tray before. It's clean but not clean enough. I make like this, very easy. Okay, how much? Like 20 seconds I make with this. Then I take the towel, piece of the towel, okay, 40 minutes. Look, I don't know if you see in the video how is it different, but it's a big difference. Now it's like a new, really like a new. Okay, very easy, not like before. It's good for cutlery, it's good for candlestick, it's good for everything to make it chick-chack, quickly to make it clean. Thank you, bye-bye.